Good morning. Today we're going to talk about Module 4, Lesson 2, the sources of sound. This lesson picks up where you left off after Lesson 1, and they're still talking about the anchor phenomenon when they're looking at how a record and a needle work. And what they want you to start off by is they want you to take a look at a record, but they want you to look at it closer underneath a magnifying glass and make some observations. So you want to take a couple seconds, you want to look at the patterns that you see in the vinyl and describe them. Then they ask you to take a closer look and they give you a picture underneath an electron microscope, and this would be the same record, and they want you to make observations of what you see here. And they want you to think about what would happen to the needle as it traveled along those paths. And then they show you a video of the needle traveling along the groove, and you want to make observations about what you see the needle doing and how the groove is affecting the needle. With these observations in mind, they want you to modify your model from Lesson 1, and you're going to include the bumps in the groove of the record, and then you're going to make a modified model. So you're going to change the things in Part 1 where the needle is in contact with the record and how that produces sound, and you're going to put that in Lesson 2, Investigation 2 of your notebook. And it's an updated model. You probably can leave the second part of the picture where it's a place between the paper cone and your ear and how that works, if you don't want to update that. But you do want to make sure you update the first part of it and how the sound is produced.